Hey guys, this is Cousin Cloud. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Teams on mobile devices. So I got Teams installed on my device. To install Teams, all you have to do is go to the Play Store and search for Teams. Just say Microsoft Teams. Here it is. And then click on install. So I got it installed. I'm going to click open. Once you have it open, you can sign in with your existing account or you can sign up for a free account. I'm going to sign in with my existing account. Click on the sign in with another account. Here it is. This is my account. I'm going to click on sign in button. So you have to click on next to proceed to the Teams. So here, once you log into Teams, it takes you to a default page which is chat. So as you can see, I have a chat message from Adele, and if I want to reply to her message, all I have to do is just click on her name. And as you can see here, I send a GIF to Adele, and also I send a message to Adele. Also, I send a voicemail to Adele. And if I want to say hello, click on type in hello, and then click on the send button here. And if you look at the bottom of the chat windows, you can see there's options to add files to this message. You can choose the files to add to. Just say if I want to send my file to her, click on the file and then click on attach a photo and click on send. And if I want to send a GIF, I just click on the GIF icon here next to the image icon. Choose the GIF you want to send and then click on add to message. Hit enter, hit send button. And if I want to attach a file, I can click on the paperclip icon here and choose the file I want to attach. The add sign, the add button mean you want to mention. That's the it's called the add mention. If you want to add mention anybody, click on the add and then the name of the person you want to add. When you click, use that command, the people or the person that you're going to add mention will get a notifications. The fonts icon here, you can choose different icons, exclamation, bold, or italics. So that's the fonts, and the three dots here. There's more options. You can do priorities, emoji, locations, praise, and stream. If you want to add a stream video, you can do that from here. And if you want to send a voicemail, you can click on the microphone icon here at the lower right corner. All you have to do is just press and hold the button and record your message. Alright, so that is chat. I'm going to exit chat. Under activities, you would see all the recent activities about Teams. Just say if somebody just add you to a team, you can see that here. If I look at the first one here, say Bobby added you to YouTube public team, and Maud made you an owner of YouTube public team. So that's the activities. And if you go to Teams button, you see all the teams that you belong to And if I go to YouTube demo channels, I can see all the posts under this channel, and I can see the files that is being uploaded to this channel. And if I want to add file, I just click on the add button here, create a folder, upload a file. If I go to more, I see the app that is being added to this channel. So in this channel I added wiki, so that's why I see wiki here. And if you want to click on the three dots, you can copy the link, rename, or you can delete the app. Let's go back here. So that's the team. And under calendar, you would see all, let's go back to team here. I want to show you. If you look at the top right corner, you see the 3 button. If you click on it, you can manage the teams, you can create new teams, you can browse team. Also, you can join a team with a code. Just say if I want to join a team with a code, click on it. All I have to do is just enter a code, then I join that team. You must obtain a code from a team's owner. So whoever created a private team and wants to send you a code for you to join, you need that code in order to join the team. Let's see what else in team here. If I click on the 3, nope. So that's it. That's all there is to it in teams. If I click on sales and marketing, click on the 3 dots. Click on the 3 dot next to your teams. There's options to manage members. You can add members to teams. You can manage tags. You can manage channel. You can leave team. You can add a team or delete team. Just say if I want to manage channel. Click on it. Here's options. You can click the plus sign here. Enter the channel name, letters. So that's how you do it. And if I want to, let's go back to team here again. If I want to add members, I just click on manage members. I can remove, just say if I want to remove Adele, I click on Adele here, click on the three dots, remove user, and make this user an owner. There's 2 options available. And if I want to add new members, I click on the icon, the plus, a person with a plus sign on the top of his head here. Click on it. You can enter the name of the person you want to add to. Just say if I want to add Carson. There it is. Choose the name, and that's all is to it. So that's team. Let's go to, if I want to search for anything within teams, you can click on the search button here and type in the stuff you want to search for. And let's go to calendars. With calendars, you will see all your meetings invite under calendars, and you can join the meetings by clicking on the meeting invite. Calls. There's 2 options. There's 2 features available here. The history, all the history that you call. You see, I called to Bobby. There's also, I check the voicemail by clicking on the voicemail here. Or also I call to phone numbers, physical phone. If I want to create new calls, I click on the phone icon and I enter the number. There's a dial pad, there's people. If I want to call to a physical phone, I click on the dial pad. If I want to call with a team, click on people and search for their name. Voicemail, you can check their voicemail from within voicemail here. So that's call. Let's go to more. If I click on more, I see all the features available here. There's recorder, there's a file, save, shift, camera, organization, and wikis. Alright, now let's go to the top right corner. There are 4 lines. Click on it. Here's all the options available for you from the top right 4 lines. If you click on your initials, you have an options to change your pictures. Click on the add image. You can options to choose a photo, open a photo gallery, take pictures, or view photo. See what that is. My activities. This little icon here, that's my activities. And this one is your organization, who's you belong to, who's you reporting to. And under status message, you see please leave me alone. You can change your status message to anything you want. Show people when message me. If you want to enable this, when somebody sends you a message and use @mention, you will get a notification if you enabled it. So that's the initial. The next one is the available or status. You can change your status to whatever you want here. Available, busy, do not disturb. The next one is the notifications. Click on notifications. There's options available here only when inactive on desktop. Turn on notification on your phone. And quiet hours, you can choose the quiet hours. Just say you want people to leave you alone between 8 p.m. to 7 a.m. That means you're going to bed, so you want people to, you want to ignore all the notifications by doing that. And also you can configure notifications here. Here's all the notification available. You can turn off all notification, or you can show notification, apps notifications. So all notifications, you can play with it, configure how you want it. So that's notification settings. If you go to settings, you can change the theme. Notifications also available in settings. You can see your data and storage. You can see your profiles. You can see your messaging. Read recipient. If you enable this, when you send a message to someone and someone read your message, this will tell you that that person read your message. Show channel list, chat list. You can enable it or disable it. By default, it's disabled. So calling is also available here from settings. If you click on call, you can do call forwarding. If you want to forward to your voicemail or you want to forward to a phone number, you can add that here. Contact a phone number. Contact a number. Change your voicemail greeting. If you want to change your voicemail greeting, click on change voicemail greeting here. Blocks call with no caller ID. You want to enable it. If you want to block all unknown callers, enable it. And if you want to block particular numbers, you can click on block numbers and then add numbers here. Make sure you add the numbers with country code, area code, and the phone number. That is calling. Next one is shift. You want to schedule your shift. Here it's available. Reminder. Schedule shift reminder. You can set it for 1 hour to let you know that it's time to go to work. Help and feedbacks. You can provide. You can ask for help. You can suggest features or reported issues. Even rated teams. about, information about your team's versions, calling versions, Microsoft. So it's all information about your team. Privacy and cookies, terms of use, third-party server notice and information. Developer preview, if you want to enable developer preview, that means if Microsoft Teams releases or pre-release, you can see it's available for you. Let's go back to settings. So if I want to sign out from Teams, I just click on the four lines, click on settings, and there's a sign out button here. Sign out, click OK. So that's it. That's how you use Microsoft Teams on mobile devices. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe. If you have any question on Microsoft Teams, feel free to add your question in the comment section. Thank you for watching and have a great day.